In the heart of Fairyland, Queen Parigul ruled with grace and charm.
But lately, she had grown tired of her endless gowns. She longed for someone who could create something truly unique. Word spread, and she found Jharnab, the renowned fashion designer of Fairyland. Queen Parigul invited Jharnab to craft gowns unlike any seen before. Jharnab envisioned designs that went beyond ordinary fairy fashion. To find true inspiration, Jharnab traveled to the human world. To find true inspiration, Jharnab traveled to the human world. There, she sought the help of her talented human friend, Nilofer.
Together, they planned a collection that blended human and fairy fashion. They explored the human world for patterns, colors, and inspiration. Returning to Fairyland, their mission to create magic began.
In a grand studio, they set up for a 5-day fashion marathon. Day 1. Sketches came alive on enchanted paper.
Day 2. Fabrics were cut with precision and flair. Day 3. Each dress gained wings to match its magic.
Day 4. Jewels and enchantments turned fabric into fairy art.
Day 5. Final touches made every gown unique and extraordinary.
Queen Parigul stepped in, enchanted by the breathtaking creations. She tried each dress, marveling at their magical elegance. The queen was impressed beyond words.
In recognition, Jharnab was crowned the royal designer of Fairyland.
Nilofer was rewarded with jewels for her invaluable contribution. With hearts full of pride, Nilofer returned to her world. Jharnab continued creating new dresses, each more enchanting than the last. Fairies proudly showcased each magical gown to the court.
A magical runway displayed the brilliance of their collaboration.
The palace celebrated creativity, elegance, and friendship. Fairyland itself seemed more vibrant, inspired by the new designs. Each creation told a story of imagination and magic. And so, Queen Parigul's wardrobe became the most magical in all the realms.